Before I could actually master decluttering, well, I had to start. This time last year, I started really focusing on decluttering stuff that I had had for years. And I knew that if I was actually going to stick to it and leave all of the foolishness behind, then I had to approach it in a way that I approach any new thing and have success. Get excited about it, make it fun, make it easy. And that's exactly what I did. So if you need a little motivation about how to start decluttering in a way that doesn't feel overwhelming, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how it started. Well, welcome back to my channel, my friends, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Christy and I make content centered around realizing no matter where we are in life, no matter our age, we are just on time to live the life of our dreams. And right now we are in our end of the year show up challenge where together we are doing the things to end this year strong and start the new year on the right foot. If that sounds like something you're interested in, it is totally free to join and includes free resources. To learn more about it and know exactly what we're doing, click on the video and the form in the description below. And that's it. Easy peasy, you're in. Now that we're all up to speed, you guys know that we are in our 30-day throwaway where we are decluttering for no more than 30 minutes per day. Now I need you to be honest. Have you been sticking to the rules? If your decluttering has been taking more than 30 minutes, babe, I'm gonna need you to reel it back. And if you haven't already gotten rid of that first round of things, you already know, I'm gonna need you to let it go. I have a tendency to get really overwhelmed when I realize that I have bitten off more than I can chew. And having these ground rules in place and making a game out of it really helped me to start building traction with decluttering because I wasn't doing it in a way that allowed me to get easily stressed out. And because I know a lot of you are either doing it for the first time or you feel overwhelmed by, oh my goodness, I am not quite sure where to start. I really wanted to show you what it looked like for me when I first started this process. So I went into the vault all the way back to where it started and said, let's roll that beautiful decluttering footage. Today, we are taking it from day 1 all the way to day 30, minus a few days where I don't even know what happened. And you're gonna see how fun this whole thing can be. Are you ready? Let's rewind to last year. On the surface, our home looks like everything is as it should be. A place for everything, everything is place. But behind every shut drawer, every closed door, every bin neatly tucked in its place, we have a secret. We have clutter. And this month, it's time for the purge. I'm doing a 30-day throwaway challenge during the month of October to get rid of all my clutter, and today is utensils.
What do you want to keep? 4 different sets of the same. Plastic set, gold set, metal set, wooden set. You have to do what Ken's answer was.
I didn't say how it was okay with the kids. I'm okay getting rid of this stuff.
We don't need them as much anymore.
How did it feel?
It felt okay. I'm not a hoarder. It's just, I don't know why that felt a little bit hard.
She's not a hoarder. She just doesn't like getting rid of stuff.
Now it's time for the big reveal. Tomorrow, we're tackling cups. Today is day 2 of my 30-day throwaway, and we tackled cups.
The sad part about this is that we actually have reduced glasses.
Choose the 4 you want.
Hey, I really want them all. You want all of them?
Yep. This makes sense.
Today is day 3 of our 30-day throwaway, and on our list is shoes.
I don't even know where to start. Wait.
Those are the throwaway.
Okay.
You know, sometimes you just have to let stuff go because it's just old.
That's true. I'm gonna let these go.
Good. Freedom.
I'm done with these.
You're done with them?
Now we're down to these.
I'm keeping those both. Oh, wow. Look at us.
Do you have any other shoes in your car?
Today is day 4 of our 30-day throwaway, and we are throwing away towels. Since we've been married, we've brought our things together, but they don't all match.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4 different patterns of white towels, 5 different kinds of kitchen towels, and these 2 random towels.
So, as we declutter these towels, we are making space for new ones.
Yeah, so get rid of those.
We're getting rid of that.
Trash.
Trash.
All right.
All right. So let's put it in the bag. Oh, more towels.
We have gotten it down to we must buy.
Yes.
Today is day 5 of our 30-day throwaway, and today we are tackling closet. Actually, the clothes in the front closet, because we have a few closets with lots of clothes that we need to tackle, but we can only do one at a time.
Keep in.
It's time to let these go.
No, those work.
Oh, these are the ones I bought you last year.
Babe, these are, what's wrong with these?
You're too fine to have a pair of pants making you look not as fine as you are.
Don't wear that. Those. Cute.
I'll just organize it.
Right now?
Yep.
Today is day 6 of our 30-day throwaway, and it's donation day. We have a tendency to say we're gonna donate things,
Donate.
Donate. Donating.
Donate.
but then it stays in our car or stays in our closet for much longer than we want it to. So we had to make up a donation rule so that others actually do get the benefit of our decluttering.
Wait, what's the donate rule?
Get rid of it within the week that we've decided we're going to donate it.
The last day of the week, which is Saturday.
A week is 7 days.
Nope, because that gives us 10 days.
No, it only ever gives us 7 days.
Week done.
Today is day 7 of our 30-day throwaway, and it is cleaning day, aka reset day.
These days are so important for me every single week because even though we're decluttering, and maybe now especially because we're decluttering, life gets messy. Clothes and shoes to be put up, papers to sort, sheets to change, laundry to do, dishes to wash, all the things. Life just has a tendency to get out of order. It is what it is. With the cleaning and reset day that's free from the get it done in 30 minutes rule, I'm able to dedicate some time to get things back in order and start the week with a fresh, clean space ready for me to be productive and declutter. Ooh, a dress I need to bring back.
More black. Thank you.
Same tie.
This is a completely different tie. You need a purple tie.
Purple.
This would be light purple. That would be absolutely dark purple.
Hold on. Let's put them all together. Purple,
Nope.
different shades of purple.
Not even. This is not purple.
Okay.
Today is day 9 of our 30-day throwaway. We are tackling the refrigerator. I'm not really feeling it. It's been a long day, but I've made a commitment to myself and we follow through even when we don't want to. A quick little cleanup and then organizing and throwing stuff away. It's day 10 of our 30-day throwaway, and we're tackling these living room bins. Honestly, they're all over the house filled with unknown treasures because, don't judge, sometimes it's much easier for me to hide things away than to deal with them. Let that preach. But that's how things pile up, so let's declutter.
This right here is some foolishness. What in here do we really need? Throw it away. You don't need this. Trash. We're good.
It's day 11 of our 30-day throwaway, and it's an early one. We have a guest coming in for the weekend, so today is just about straightening up, making sure everything is in order, and that our guest isn't stepping into clutter. We didn't get to declutter one specific area, but something in the cleaning space did happen, so I'm still calling this a win. It's day 16 of our 30-day throwaway, and today we are tackling the bins behind this couch.
This is so ridiculous.
Are any of them that good? You said that like this one was the bad one. Both their hearts were now directly in the line of fire. That is trash. Trash.
Keeping this.
Keep that.
There you go.
Stick one.
Same stuff.
It is day 17 of our 30-day throwaway, and we are back in the kitchen handling this coffee bar. We don't have a lot of built-in storage, and so we've had to create a storage area. And with these bins, girl, you already know.
There is probably a lot of foolishness because
This area stores canned goods and snacks and anything else that we can't seem to fit into our shelves. Expired. Really excited to tackle this because it has been driving me crazy for months.
And there you have it. Remember the before? I love it.
It's day 21 for our 30-day throwaway, and since I'm traveling, I can't declutter my home, but I can declutter my mind and my schedule to prepare for a great week ahead.
It's day 23 of our 30-day throwaway, and we tackled the closet and our guest bathroom.
Yeah.
It felt a bit like deja vu as we found things we just knew we had already dealt with.
It's day 4 of our 30-day throwaway, and we are throwing away towels.
Fresh.
Trash.
Towels. This towel needs to be
Out. Get it out.
And that's just what we did. It's day 25 of our 30-day throwaway, and we're in the hall closet again.
Are we doing this whole closet or are we just doing check?
The closet holds a lot of things, so we're just focusing on the jackets/winter coats.
Got coats for days.
We started by looking through what we had because it's been almost a year since we were in coats. Then we kept what we for sure wanted, then let the rest go. Our church does a coat donation drive each year to give to the homeless, so while these are things that we no longer want, we hope they'll be a blessing to someone else. It's day 27 of our 30-day throwaway, and it's time to donate what we've decluttered. Since we're decluttering daily, we try to donate weekly, but we've been a little bit off our game. That's life, it happens, so you just keep moving forward. Since we were both on our way to work, heading in opposite directions, my hubby took the coats to church for our winter coat drive, while I took the other stuff to the donation bin. It's day 30 of our 30-day throwaway, and as you can see, things are a little scary. I only have a short window to put things back in order, so I set myself a 25-minute timer to see if I can get everything done before we get to 0. Let's see how I do.
And that's where we started. As you saw, it was not some serious, stressed out thing, and it was because I stuck to the rules and made it fun. Let me know in the comments. I really want to know how it's going for you and how you're making this decluttering journey enjoyable. As a reminder, if you haven't joined the end of the year show up challenge, go ahead and check all of the details out in the description below. Also, if you're not subscribed, girl, what are you doing? I'm gonna need you to jump on that. Alrighty guys, I love you and I will see you in my next. Bye for now.